Hey everyone, it's Boost Auto here. Today we're going to show you how to pair our 2020 style key fobs from Boost Auto to your 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon trucks using our key fob programmer. Let's be real, your key fob to your truck has probably seen better days. With everyday use and a cheap plastic build, the OE fobs tend to fade and chip pretty easily. Introducing Boost Auto's 2020 style key fobs, here to re-energize how you lock, unlock, and start your truck. With tactile buttons, a solid construction, and even a blank key you can cut to your truck, the choice is simple. Get them with or without remote start, whichever way your truck is configured. Freshen up your keychain without having to wait at the dealer or pay a hefty fee. 2020 style key fobs for 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon trucks with our key fob programmer. Get them today at boostauto.com. To begin, go ahead and turn your key to the key on position. Next, we'll take our programmer and plug it into the OBD port under the dash. Once the programmer is inserted, the remote key learning pop-up will appear on your dash. Once that appears, you can take your brand new fob from Boost Auto and press the lock and unlock buttons together for 15 to 30 seconds. Confirm the fob has been programmed by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If it did not program, you can simply restart the procedure with the programmer unplugged. Once all fobs have been programmed to your vehicle, you can exit out of the pairing mode by turning the key to the off position and unplugging the Boost Auto programmer. Test to make sure all fobs are functioning properly. And with that, your pairing is complete. Thanks for watching this video. To get this and everything else we have to offer for your vehicle, head on over to boostauto.com. And with that, we'll catch you in the next one.